All right, guys, we made it down here to the river today. We're out here with Brandon. We're gonna see if we can get on some smallies. Let's get it done. Get your cast up in there. Oh, dude!
What the heck?
The smallie came in. I was reeling it in, and the freaking smallie came up. I saw him come up.
I don't want to go.
Nice little smallie. I'm gonna get used to this head cam. Deuces! Alright, we're on the board.
About time. Well, I'm scared to throw it and get caught with this wind, you know? See, look, right there. Right in the...
Oh gosh. Reel that sugar in. I just got thumped.
Dude, they're right here at our feet.
No, those are some small ones. We want the big mamas.
Got one.
Hey, got a tree pounder. I see like 3 smallies sitting up here. That's a good one. Looks like he's guarding them. There's one. I watched him eat. Ow, dadgum. That's good. Ate the daggum whopper plopper.
The daggum wind's just taking.
There we go. There we go. Daggum rock bass. I cannot get away from him. He choked that thing. Oh, I hooked him through the eyeball. See you later. Backflip. Well, I thought I was recording. Cut this little guy. Good to know.
Fish.
Fish.
No, he came off.
I saw him.
He felt good, too. Dude, I just need one.
You'll get one. You know where to go. Oh, that's a good one. Maybe not. He started fighting good. Another rock bass. Oh, quick release. No, dude, it's a clam. Oh, look, he's coming out. That is cool. Never mind then. Let's get out of here. One last cast. There we go. We got one. Oh, it's a spot. A baby spotted bass. I knew they were here. A matter of if they were hungry or not. Baby, never know what you're gonna catch in the creek. All right, got us up on a little rock bass. We're here with Danielle now and Brandon. See you, buddy.
Casting there for like 30 minutes.
You're also throwing something different. All right, we're on another one. There we go.
Don't have to ruin your spot. Oh, no, I'm not.
Bye, buddy. I just hooked myself. Pulled a Brandon.
I knew it.
Didn't go barbecue. Cast it in there. Oh, it's a smallie! I cast it in there just to get rid of some slack. And this smallie came up with crush it. Backflip.
Backflip.
Alright, now let's go to another spot. Alright, we're over here at the next spot. See if we can get on something. Fish. It's a good one. Maybe not. Rock bass. You say backflip? Dude, this one's been caught so many times. Look, his jaw's almost not connected. See if you guys can see it. He's got a big old hole. See ya. Fish. Oh, that's a big rock bass. He choked the swim bait. Look at that. Brandon's on.
Where am I at?
Brandon, we're doubled up.
Oh, God. I'm sorry.
Oh my gosh. Look, we got twins.
High five. I'm trying, buddy. I'm trying.
My dude's forehead looks funny.
Sam.
He don't have a forehead.
I finally got one today. Took about a couple.
Next is you. We're gonna get you on one. Babe.
Finally got one. Your turn.
Oh, we'll get her on one. It's turning out to be a pretty good day. Cause there's another one.
You recording?
Yep. I should be. Hey, oh gosh, I hooked him through the eyeball.
Again?
Yes, again.
That's the second one, Sam.
I ain't doing it on purpose. Oh, he just peed on me. Buddy, I'm trying to save you. I'm a vet. Hey, babe, you went to veterinary class?
No, I didn't.
Bye. Quick release. Brandon on a fish.
Dude, hey, look.
He choked that thing. Oh, we got Danielle on a fish. I'm coming. Oh, it's a good one. There we go. Give me a fish bump. He's
No!
gone. He's gone.
That was a big one.
Let's go. There we go. Oh, it's just a little booger. This is an aquarium size fish. That's why I couldn't really hook him. He was just a little pecker. There's another. Another rock bass. one of the hot streak. It's 2 casts in a row. All right, guys, so that's gonna be the end of the video. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. We had a pretty good day on the river. We hit a couple different spots, a lot of rock bass. Sorry for the cars. I'm right here next to the road, fishing this urban stuff, I guess you can call it, urban river fishing. But if you made it this far, thank you so much. If you guys could like, comment, subscribe, it would mean the world to me. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers as soon as I can. I don't know, I don't want to put a time on it. And if you guys liked it, just please put a like, comment too what your favorite part was. Thank you. We'll see you guys next time. Keep catching fish.